Everybody, my name is Jennifer and I'm from Jentle Soaps, and today I'm going to show you how I make my, what is it we're making today? Mustache wax and beard balm. It's going to be awesome. It's the new men's line. It's a basic recipe to get you started. I'll be tweaking it before I release it in my store, but it's a good basic recipe and I hope you enjoy it. So come with me into my soapy kitchen while we take that beard oil that we learned how to make and turn it into mustache wax and beard balm. Now for this one, we're going to have to melt some beeswax. So this is the wax that we use in our hives, in our apiary. Now I'm going to use about 20 grams of beeswax. I'm going to use 10 grams of beeswax. That's quite a bit of beeswax. Actually, that's 15 grams. Maybe I'll use 20. Yeah, we're going to use 10 grams. And I'm going to go melt this, and then when I come back, we'll mix in all the butters and oils and do a traditional beard balm. Alrighty, now I'm going to add, we're going to do the mustache wax and then we'll do the beard balm. Alright, so 0. So I'm going to add 10 grams of our oil mix. Actually, I'm going to add 25 grams. I'll mix this. Container's still quite hot, so it's going to melt it back down. You don't have to stick it back into on the double boiler or the pot of water or microwave or whatever you use to do this small amount of wax. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of shea and a little bit, we're just going to put a little bit of shea, I think, in this one. I'm going to leave out the mango butter this time. So we're going to add about a tablespoon, so 10 grams. And if this doesn't melt down evenly, we're going to have to melt it down again. Just put it back on the heat for a little while. Now to make this a stiffer wax, you can add things like pine resin or more brittle waxes. Yeah, I'm going to have to melt this down again, just a few seconds, probably 30 seconds or so. I'll be right back and then we'll pour it into the tiny little pots I've got over here. Okay, so I'm going to take about half of this and put it in here. And then I'm going to pour, then I'm going to scent this with our citrus with a little bit of clove, This is still quite hot, so be very careful using the kind of containers that I am. About half, because I need it to cool down a bit. Because I don't want my essential oils to just, you know, dissipate into the ether. But that's starting to set up quite quickly, so I'm going to go ahead and add the fragrance, which is this essential oil blend. And if I need to melt it down again, it'll only take a few seconds. Let's just do that. I'm going to add a little bit of clove to that. Alright, I changed my mind. I like the hotter one. It gives me more time to blend and fill them. So we're going to do tubes. Now keep in mind that these are going to sink in the middle, so overfill them. If you want them to be flat, or you can just trim them after. So we're going to get 4 of the full-size ones. I've actually got some oval tubes that I thought would be a little better than these. And some tins. We're going to try out some tins as well. So we got a few little samples. And there we go. Oh gosh, not very pretty. That's okay. I'll just push it down a little. There we go. Alright, so see they're already starting to fall down in the center. I'll probably just warm some of this up and top them up again. So there we go. There is the mustache wax. Alright, so I'll be right back. We're going to do the beard balm next. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go warm this up and we'll do the beard balm last. Alright, now we're going to add our butters. Alright. Alright, so we're going to add more butters. So this is shea. And some mango butter as well. The next time I make this, I'm going to add BTMS 50, which is a conditioner, but I don't have it, so I'll make the conditioning balm another day. So I'm going to go warm this up, and then I'm going to change the fragrance again. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I also added a little bit of coconut oil. Now we're going to add the citrus base. Nine and 10. And I'm also going to add some spearmint. So we added a little bay to the mustache wax, and we're going to add a little bit of spearmint to this one. Now, if you have any kind of acne or any kind of infection, this will help to dry that out. So use it sparingly. You should be using your beard wax sparingly anyway, or your beard balm. That's why we got the teeny tiny jars. Okay, so I'm just going to put the lids on these since they're nice and cold. Set them over here. So these are our beard wax sample, or mustache and beard wax samples, those two. And this is Beard Balm 1. Look at the beeswax stuff there. Beard Balm 1. Beard Balm 1. And mustache wax. Now to use these, you just heat it up with your hair dryer that you're using to style your mustache and get those hairs all in the right direction. And smoosh it on. It's pretty cool. Watch this being used this way, and I think it's brilliant. I think I'll get some black tubes though when they finally are released in my store, when I perfect my recipe. This is just a beginner. So we've got some full-size ones here. And I'm going to use the same syringe. Yeah, I've added all my fragrance. This one's just got a little bit of mint added to it. Because it's a beard and it's around the mouth, I thought that might be really nice. Too when you're just using disposable things. So these are my Beard Balm 2s, samples. I'm going to fill up my tins too. Okay, just enough for these 3. Now there's argan oil in there, and there's, well, maybe not quite. We got a little half-see there. So we'll get the spatula. We can't get every little bit out of there. And I'll do these ones are a little bit full, so we'll just add a little bit from that one. I got 3/4 tins. Alright, so we got 3 nice size gifts. Alrighty. Alrighty. And there we go. Beard Balm 2, Beard Balm 1, and medium hold mustache wax. Alright, until next time, this is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and I hope you found this a good starting point for your own formulations. This is my starting point, and see you all next time. Bye for now.